We'll guide you through how to design digital newspaper Corel Draw. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Corel Draw on your computer. Click New Document to create a new file so you can start with a clean workspace. Change the page size. For example, set it to A4 to match a standard document format. Change the document units to inches to ensure accurate measurements. Double-click the rectangle tool to create a background that automatically fits the entire page. Select the rectangle tool again and draw a small rectangle while holding the Control key to keep the proportions equal. Change the object size by setting both the width and height to 0.3 inches to create a precise margin guide. Select this small object together with the background rectangle. Press T, then press L on the keyboard to align the objects to the top left corner. Make sure the guide's display is enabled so you can create visible layout references. Drag horizontal and vertical guidelines from the rulers and align them exactly with the edges of the small rectangle. Repeat the same steps to create guidelines for the opposite side of the page. Delete the helper object once the guidelines are properly placed, leaving only the guides. Add additional guidelines for the main headline, article section, model photo, and other layout areas as shown in the video. Add the date, issue number, in your website, for example, using Roboto condensed black with a font size of 16.87, and position them neatly within the top area. Add a divider line created using the rectangle tool to separate sections. Add the main headline according to your needs, for example using Oswald with a font size of 68.26, and align it within the guideline structure. Add another divider line using the rectangle tool. Add a secondary headline, for example using Oswald with a font size of 49.99, and adjust its placement. Insert another divider line to maintain visual separation. Add a rectangle and insert the article text you want to use, for example using Arial with a font size of 12, and adjust paragraph alignment. Add your first model photo to the layout and position it properly. Create a breaking news section using rectangles combined with Oswald and Arial fonts. Add the article text for this section using Arial and divide it into 3 columns. Insert your second model photo to complete the composition. Review all objects carefully and ensure that colors, layout, font types, font sizes, and paragraph alignment are consistent and properly arranged.